Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious egg fried rice. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large eggs, 2 cups of cold, day-old cooked rice, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and some soy sauce. Having cold rice is key for that perfect texture, so plan ahead. Make sure you have a large pan or wok ready for cooking. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in your pan or wok over medium-high heat. While that's warming up, lightly whisk your 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. Once the oil is shimmering, pour the whisked eggs into the hot pan and quickly scramble them until they are just set and still a little soft. Don't overcook them. Next, it's time to add the star of the show, your cold, cooked rice. Add the 2 cups of rice directly into the pan with the scrambled eggs. Use your spatula to break up any clumps, ensuring the rice separates nicely. Stir-fry everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes, making sure the rice is thoroughly heated through and mixed with the egg. For the final touch, drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce over your fried rice mixture. Give it a good stir to ensure the seasoning is evenly distributed throughout. Continue to cook for just 1 more minute, allowing the flavors to meld. Your delicious, easy egg fried rice is now ready to be served immediately and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.